Let's take a look at the decay of the B quark. We can represent the B quark with an ordered pair with the S part being 0 and the T part being -1, which will map to a V and T assembly, which will make a D quark interacting with the Higgs field and therefore being associated with a Higgs boson or a dual relating T-rishon. If we look at the graphic representation of this, we'll see that we have the D quark, and then over here we will have the Higgs boson 0. Now, the decay involves the emission of a W boson, which we can represent with a -3 and +3/2 S and T ordered pair. Now, this ordered pair also, if we want to represent the emission of this Higgs boson with it, requires another representation to show a V and anti-V dual relating rishons interact with a D quark, creating this C quark and the emission of this boson minus and this boson 0 combining to give the emitted W boson. Now, associated with this will be an electron-positron pair. This virtual pair will appear, and there will be an interaction between this boson minus part of the W boson and this V and anti-V self-relating pair, which turn one of these, the positron, into an anti-electron neutrino, and what I think of as a possible WIMP candidate, a weakly interacting massive particle with the anti-V dual relating particle combined with the V dual relating particle. In this case, self-relating particle. These two together are candidates for weakly interacting massive particles. Now, we have an electron and an antineutrino and a boson 0 being emitted. And so over here, we can represent these particles and so, as indicated previously, we have the B quark represented here. And here we have the C quark represented. You can see we have the V dual relating particle with a ultra relating particle as indicated here. And then we have the electron and the antineutrino represented here. The electron and the antineutrino. And here we have the composite particle of this boson 0, this weakly interacting massive particle, and the original Higgs boson that was forming the B quark.